The paper category is pretty straightforward. This is where we would write our traditional historic papers. Most of the time, students will be writing a traditional argumentative paper, but the rules don't state that it has to be that traditional argumentative paper. So creative writing is allowed, but it does have to fit the expectations of the overall papers. Any paper needs to be between 1,500 and 2,500 words. The minor infraction would be over 2,500 words or under 1,500 words by a reasonable amount. It could be a major infraction if it goes way over or way under, but that's going to be something that you can factor in. 2,500 word limit does not apply to the notes, the annotated bibliography, any illustrations on captions, or the appendix material. That said, History Day does not want the appendix or the annotated bibliography or the footnotes to be used to circumvent the 2,500 word limit. So the footnotes should be the citations, and if there's needs to be a short explanation, that's okay, but it shouldn't be done to try to get around the word limit. There will be an annotated bibliography, and there can be appendix material that's referenced in the paper itself. Citations do not have to be parenthetical citations. The students should be using either Chicago Tiberian style footnotes, or I believe it's MLA style citations, which would be that in-text parenthetical documentation. Regardless of the citation style, there must be citations within the paper. Same rules apply for as the general evaluation categories. The only two disqualifying features for the paper category are the obvious plagiarism and tampering with another person's project. The minor and major infractions can apply as well. There is on the evaluation form a rules compliance checklist that you can take advantage of and make notes there. Again, major infractions can lower rank. Minor infractions could also lower a project's rank. However, please be sure to include that in the feedback sections when you do take your evaluation form notes.